What up, Quantum here. So this is a numerology reading on a dark side kind of brain chemical called Noradrenalin, which does fight or flight, and there's the total mass of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen with their electrons, and atomic numbers, and block letters turn into numbers. Alright, so it starts in 9, which is the foundation, sensitive and intuitive, and moves over temperance and justice and connects to fear. In this case, temperance is adaptation, justice is bigotry, fear is physical body relative, active, strong willpower, survival oriented, attracts friction, money, worries, obsessions, anger, anxiety, and nervousness. Next we have 6, which is grace, awakening, intelligence, and the muddy part, which is struggling for control, and it moves twofold over temperance and connects to foundation. And next we have 0, which is 10, the kingdom, and this is a physical self holding on to energies, grounded with a muddy part of insecurity, and it moves over the universe and temperance and connects to grace. And the universe in this case is just realization. It's getting real now, you know. And next we have 8, which is glory, and in this case it is emotion, excitement, energy, stamina, courage, and it moves over the devil and the hermit and connects to mercy. And the devil in this case is power, temptation, and imprisonment, and the hermit is caution. And mercy in this case is sensitive with a muddy part of fear of the future. And then next we have 5, which is, there's only one 5, so that means that fear is its own energy. And next we have 4, which is mercy, and it moves over the wheel and connects to victory. And in this case, the wheel is sudden change, and then victory is balance and change with the muddy part of victim, sensitive to criticism. Next we have 1, which is the crown, energy reflecting, and truth, and the muddy part of the pink component is immature and dishonest nature, and it moves over the fool and the hierophant and connects to mercy. And in this case, the fool is risk and swiftness, and the hierophant is religion and hypocrisy. Yeah, we all know that could involve fight or flight for sure, because we've seen religions do that, huh? So next we have what victory connects to. So victory moves over death and connects to grace, and in this case death is critical change and loss. And then next we have we have understanding, which is energy attraction and transformation, light capturing and light consumption. It moves over the lovers and connects to grace, and in this case lovers is contradictions and decisions. And then next we have 2, which is wisdom, and in this case it means discernment, and the muddy aspect of it is residue of fear, blocking energy and guardedness, and it moves over the Hierophant and connects to mercy. So this is the fight or flight chemical numerology reading, and seems to work pretty good, and is the 3rd installment of the numerology reading videos. And the 2 previous ones were serotonin and dimethyltryptamine. So studying the rift between the objective and the subjective, all that means is so it is objective is universally provable physical science of mainly material but also energy too, and the subjective is the mind. The mind can do a lot of things, a lot more than science, at least in itself, and it grounds itself with these brain chemicals in the brain. And so there must have been some kind of further information to find about the brain chemicals that had to do with some kind of mental configuration in each chemical in itself. So this is what this is about, finding that, still using math and using real scientific data, using mass and electrons and atomic numbers and block letter data. So patterns have been found. So these 4 different kinds of data about the elements, they're kind of holistically bonded through this, and so the psychological code has been embedded there in some kind of way, and has now been found with the numbers combined. And this is what has been found with it so far. And so the next couple of videos I'm going to be doing are going to be a couple of famous atheists numerology readings of their full names: Clinton Richard Dawkins and William Bill Maher Jr. I'm sure plenty of people have heard of those, and the readings should be pretty good, pretty accurate, and mathematically figuring out how their name vibrations are related to them being atheists. Yep, so it's going to be quite a paradox breaker. So stay tuned, folks, and have an awesome day. Peace out.